Hello stars, welcome to the Tesla Cybertruck build video. Please stay with me until the end because I overlooked an important point in this video which led to disaster. Just watch and enjoy, and to help me out, hit the like button on this video. Thank you. This video is sponsored by PCBWay, a leading company in the production of various types of PCBs, including flex and the rigid flex PCBs, and even UV printing technology. They also offer CNC machining, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, and injection molding services. You can place your projects online and they ship worldwide within 24 hours. For more information, visit their website and Instagram page, which is listed in the description section below this video. This is exactly my mistake. Since we have 4 motors, I should have used 2 driver ICs, but I connected the motors in parallel, which causes a lot of current to flow through the battery and the driver IC to heat up. Stay tuned, I'll fix it in the next video.